In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmark invoice as paid in QuickBooks. If an invoice accidentally shows as paid, you'll want to clear that status so your books reflect reality. I'll walk you through the exact path in QuickBooks Online and explain what each choice means so you can pick the option that best fits your situation. First, open QuickBooks and sign in to your company. From the left navigation, head to Sales and then choose Get Paid. This is where QuickBooks groups all of your customer transactions. If you manage lots of invoices, this page helps you zero in on the one you need. Next, click Sales Transactions. Here you'll see a list of invoices, sales receipts, and other sales entries. Use the filters at the top to narrow down by transaction type, date, status, or customer. Filtering by status to show paid invoices can make it easier to spot the one that's been marked paid by mistake. Once you see the invoice you want to fix, select it and click View or Edit. This opens the full invoice details so you can confirm you have the right one. Take a quick moment to note the customer, invoice date, amount, and any payments applied. It's always smart to double check before you make changes. Now look for the More Actions menu on the invoice. Click it to reveal your options, then choose either Delete or Void. Here's what those choices mean. Void keeps the invoice record but sets the amounts to 0, which removes the paid status while preserving a visible audit trail of the original document. Delete removes the invoice entirely as if it was never created, which can be cleaner but may not be ideal if you need a historical reference. In either case, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm because this change affects your reports and customer balances. If your goal is simply to remove the paid status while keeping a traceable record, Void is usually the safer pick. If the invoice itself was created in error and you don't need it at all, Delete can be appropriate. Be mindful that if a payment had been deposited or matched to a bank transaction, changes here can impact reconciliations and reports. So consider checking with your accountant before you proceed. After you confirm the action, refresh the sales transactions list to verify the invoice no longer shows as paid. That's it. You've unmarked the invoice as paid using the tools built into QuickBooks, ensuring your accounts reflect the correct status.